Section 7. Integrating different components of data science, a use case. In the last section, we will try to stitch together the concepts that we have learned in the previous sections with the help of a case study. We will be working on a famous housing prices prediction case study. Here, we will be starting with the cleaning and manipulating the data and doing the exploratory data analysis. And then we will try to fit different models onto it. First of all, we will see the application of the regression models, and then we will try to use the machine learning approach to solve the given problem. And then we will see how we can select the best or the final model. And lastly, we will close this section with some great insights out of the case study. Introduction: Housing Prices Prediction. In this video, we will look at the objective of this case study, overview of the dataset, and our approach to crack this case study. Let us get started. In this mini case study, our objective is to predict the prices of the houses in the Boston area. There are a lot of factors that influence the prices of the homes. The first are the housing related factors. For example, the number of washrooms, the number of rooms, kitchen, area, etc. The other are the locality related factors. How is the locality? How big is the road? Are there any community centers in the locality? The others could be the economy related factors. For example, what is the overall demand and the overall supply? Now, in this case study, we will look at the available data. So, the data that is available to us is related to the housing factors and the locality related factors. And using that data, we will try to predict the price of each of these houses. In our dataset, we have close to 79 explanatory variables which describe almost every aspect of these residential homes. Now, let us look at some examples of the variables present in the dataset. The first is the sales price, which is our dependent variable. So this refers to the property's sale prices in the dollars. Then we have other variables like the class of the building, general zone classification, lot size in square feet, type of the road access, and so on. Now, let us talk about our approach to crack this case study. First of all, we will be doing the data quality checks. First of all, we will be checking the overall quality of the data. Can the data be used? Is it complete? How many NA values? How many missing values are present in the data? Then we will proceed on to do the exploratory data analysis. Here, we will be trying to do the univariate and the bivariate analysis on some of the variables. Then we will be proceeding on to the modeling step, where we will be designing the model, and first we will be starting with the basic models. Then we will be moving on to the advanced models. And after we have finalized our models, our variables, then we will be trying to generate some insights. So finalizing and deploying the model is not the last thing. So what are the insights that come out of that model are the most important things.